Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we'll show you where to find the starter relay on Dodge Journey or Fiat Freemont. So stay with us, guys. Those two vehicles, Dodge Journey, Fiat Freemont, it's the same vehicle under two different names depending on where the vehicle was sold. So if your car doesn't crank, okay, most likely it could be a relay, it could be a fuse as well. Stay with us, we'll show you where to check the relay. We have a video for the fuse as well. In addition, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. So, excuse me, when you open the hood, this is your fuse box, right here. You can see those two things, squish them like that towards each other, pull up. And once you remove the cover, guys, okay, that's your layout here in the starter solenoid now. Okay, the starter solenoid is fuse, starter solenoid fuse is, relay is right here and the fuse is right next to it. So, this is the relay. Some of them might have another one right here. Okay, so always check those two. But this is the one that we need to check now. This is the starter solenoid relay. It's K135. We'll have the new one relay where we bought it from in the description of the video below, and you can check it out. It's very good price. So just grab this one. Okay, we'll pull it out. Let me go grab the new one quick. And we're ready to go ahead and put the new relay like that. So this is it, guys. This is the relay for the starter. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe. If you need help with anything specific on Dodge Journey, leave a comment below and we'll be more than glad to try to make a video for your problem. So thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.